In this video here you can check the main differences between these HyperX headsets, the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 and the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 Core. Well, their main physical differences are basic. Here they vary, mainly in the size of their drive and also in the foams used in the material used for its construction. There is little difference in their design. I'll show you the foam part. Here in the Stinger 2 you count on 50mm drives. In the case of leather, they are relatively soft and dense. On the Stinger 2 core, it doesn't have this versatility, this rotation. The foams are made of fabric and they are relatively hard. Both, from what I've tested here, are quite comfortable, in my opinion. I tend to like more fabric, so in my opinion the Stinger 2 chooses is more comfortable. But it varies there a lot from what you find comfortable or not, the type of material you prefer. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but the Stinger 2 has a 40mm drive here, so there are 10mm or less in terms of physical structure here of them. At the top they are basically the same. Oh! What changes the most is here in the lateral issue, in their vertical control part. As you can see, the Stinger 2 has a little reminder. Here's a little signage for you to see how much you're increasing here in its verticality. The Stinger 2 core doesn't have that. They have relatively the same distance here from the vertical issue, that is vertical adjustment. If you put the maximum here of it, you have around 3 fingers of mine and 3 other fingers here, so it goes around there. 3 to 4 cm vertical height. The Stinger 2 core is a little bit more short than the Stinger 2. Oh, as you can see in this one, it's twisted. The Astra 10 Generation 2 is still the champion in this regard, right? Here's him a little twisted. Since he has this vertical part here, oh, here we can do it. Turning here, it doesn't twist as well there in relation to other headsets, but it ends up having its mobility there, so to speak. Both the Stinger 2 and the Stinger 2 core you count here with adjustments in the ear pets more or less there of 30 degrees, and the microphone is about the same size. But the construction of the microphone for the 2 core here is better if you listen here. For example, it has a little clicking sound. This from here can break easy. Oh, you don't even feel in fact that you are activating or deactivating the flip to multi here of so smooth that it was built in this case here. So here is one more positive point for the Stinger of choice. The microphone of both is malleable, and now I'm going to the audio capture test of the two for you to compare how the audio capture looks between the 2 weight and cable structure. You counted the 2 here. The Stinger 2 is around 1m20 and the Stinger 2 core has a lathe of 1m30 more or less. It varies very little between them. The weight is the same between them. Well, now I'm here with the audio capture of the Stinger 2 core. As you can see, it's a pretty decent audio capture. If you want to see more about the noise filter that comes in the PC version's microphone, you can see my full review of the Stinger 2 core that will be here in the card above. That headset itself from the PC version to me is way better than the computer version. For me it's way better than the PlayStation version, which is the console version. It comes with DTSC function. It seemed to me to have much more control over the audio output quality and also the microphone than these versions here for console. Both the Stinger 2 core and the Stinger 2. But anyway, this here is the audio capture quality of the Stinger 2 core. Now here. So as you can see, the audio difference between them is very small. Both have an audio lag. Maybe I have to give a new audio gain there, the software, so that you can listen there properly. But their audio capture quality for me is basically the same, so just a conference test for you and you to check out. Here is a test of 123. Test 123 for you to check it out better. What is the audio difference between the two? So here guys, for me the difference between the two is basically the audio output quality of them, where in my opinion the Stinger of the choice transmits better audio output quality. In the bass part, and especially for games too, as it has the most present bass, it can transmit a whole better quality in relation to all the rest of the audio. On the other hand, the Stinger 2, despite having a 50mm drive, that is, in theory, larger and theoretically superior to the Stinger 2 core, fails to have bass well present in relation to its younger brother, its more recent brother. So even with 40mm of drive here, I'd say it has a better audio experience between the two. If the difference is 50 BRL, I would definitely go for 2 core. Now one difference I would for sure would be in the PC version of 2 Core, which delivers there much more possibility of audio quality or audio configuration with the DTS function. If I'm not mistaken, the PC version of this headset here gives you 2 years of DTS software license, so you can configure the audio output quality of the headset much better in the PC option. As for the console version, I would say it's fine. Basic, so to speak, pretty raw. Other than that, if you buy the console version, that's fine. The console version is way nicer than the PC one in my opinion, but you will still have to bear the cost of the DTS per part, which around 50 to 100 BRL plus or minus the license per year. So, in final opinion, if the difference between the two is very little, 30-40 BRL is definitely worth more. For my audio experience, and also because I like the fabric part more, for me it is more comfortable to use headsets that have fabric for me. It is more worth you use here the Stinger 2 Core, if the difference is little between them, 30-40 BRL. Now gesture is 100-150 BRL. It's worth weighing what's in your pocket or not. It is also worth noting that the computer version is even more superior due to the DTS license. So that's it guys, I stay here with this quick review. If this video has helped you and you decide to buy one of the headsets, give whatever you want, give a force here for my work on YouTube. My affiliate link will be in the description of the video or in the first comment fixed. No more, I will. Staying here, don't forget to subscribe to receive more news. Thank you very much, and until the next video. Bye.